Welcome to Court in the City. Hey guys, I'm back to do a quick review of the Mielle Rice Water Collection. I finally used it, super happy. Wasn't able to really record it because my phone was dead and it was late and I was just tired. So I had every intention of documenting my whole process of using the Mielle Rice Water Collection for the first time. And when I went to record the first video, my phone went dead. But it is very late and I have a very busy day tomorrow, so y'all just gonna get these twists with this mask in it. My hair feels good right now. I've had the mask in for about 30 minutes. So I'm really hoping that it stays good when I wash this out, so I'll let y'all know. And I'm gonna show y'all right now what I used and what I thought about it. So first I used the mask. And I like the way the mask made my hair feel. Like while it was on, once I put it on, I was like, yeah, this feels good. And then when I washed it out, my hair looked like this. The hair was super soft. It might not look like it because my hair is going through some things, y'all. Do you see these two pieces? Meet Delilah and Francis. I'm just really sad about them, but that just means that I need to treat my girl right and get this fro back in order. So the mask definitely helped with that. I also have the split end therapy, and I'm gonna put a little on my two little pieces right now because those girlfriends need some help. I'm just gonna put it on there, just a little drop. Okay, put some there, just a little drop on my two little girls because we got to get them together. But I already know what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna be taking care of this hair, y'all gonna be able to see. I'm gonna try to record it. All right, so because I have these two little girlfriends, I decided to twist my hair and then put these clips on it to like hold it down so that hopefully I don't have to use the blow dryer on it because I'm making steps. I hear you telling me that I'm not taking care of you right. So I'm trying. That's all I can do. Also use the moisturizing milk. And I use that to do the twist along with the leave-in conditioner that I also got from Mielle. It's one of the different lines. I think it's the Hawaiian line, the one with the blue bottle. So I use the blue bottle leave-in conditioner because I know my hair is hot outside, and without a leave-in conditioner, the little style that I am able to pull out of these twists won't make it too sad. So I did like the moisturizing milk. I felt like my hair felt coated. I was able to get some good natural curls out of the moisturizing milk with just putting it on there. But now that my twists have dried, I don't know if it's like a combination of the conditioner I used and the moisturizing milk. They're not hard, they're stretchy. I feel like they're gonna come out and be firm, but I can just feel it on my hair. I guess the word would be like it feels coated, like my twist feels like it has like a layer of something around it, which I don't mind. I just wanted to say that because sometimes I take my hair out and it just feels like hair that's moisturized, but this feels like I have a product on it. It's not sticky or anything. Just I can just kind of feel it on my hair, which again, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I don't mind. I think that it is going to make my twists last longer and be a little more defined, which is what I need because my hair really, really gets frizzy and I have trouble finding the right products. So I feel like the way this feels is good for me to be successful with my style today. So we're going to get into this. We're going to take these twists out. And if it don't work out, hang it down. Your girl, I'm going to pull out her famous puff and I'll show y'all how to do that. But I'm hoping I don't have to do a puff. Let's go. Okay, so this looks promising. Separating is usually where my troubles come, but this might turn into something good, you guys. Okay, guys, so I am actually loving the results already. I just feel like, yeah, this is about to be the twist out of my life. I might have to change my clothes. But let's go ahead and fluff this bad boy out. I'm excited. I really enjoyed the Mielle Rice Water Collection. It was good for my hair. My hair was hydrated all day, and my twists came out better than they have ever before. My hair is really dry right now, so I do have to use the products a little bit more to know if they will give me the hydration that I'm looking for. But for this style, it turned out great, and I would recommend using these products. Can we just talk about how shocked I am at this hair? Because this is the best twist out your girl has ever had. I know I'm new to this YouTube game with my tutorials, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know I had to go change my clothes and everything, like put on some new earrings, switch my gauges out, honey, so that they blend in with my glasses, because this looks good. Someone came down and blessed me, honey. This hair looks good. I am very excited to wear this out. Can't wait to see where the day takes this hair. Because I just know when I go outside, it's going to be like, oh, I love you, girl. I love you, girl. I love you, girl, for taking me out to the sun. I just know, because this girl is just really showing off. I'm not too sure what the back looks like. So if it looks terrible, I'm just going to go by what I see in the front, because I ain't looking back there. I'm not looking behind me. I'm just looking in ahead of me and in the mirror, because, honey, this was good. Thank you, Mielle, and my effort, because I've been working hard on this little fro.